Hi, let's see how we can get the size of an object in a JavaScript program. So if I have a object with the name student, and in this object I have some properties. For example, I have name and the value mic. I have course with the value Frontend. I have age with the value 13. And I have weight 17. So I have this object. Now I create a function with the name object or get object size, which receives a parameter with the name object, and this function will return the size of the object. So I have a variable here, let object size equals to 0, and now I have a for loop, and in this for loop I'm taking every key from the object, and for every key I'm incrementing the object size, and now I return the object size. And now let's call this function. So I will call this function in a console log. So I have console log, and here I have object size, or no, let's use normal quotes. So I have object size, and now I'm calling the function get object size, and I'm sending the argument student. Now let's test this code in the browser. So in the console I have object size 4, and this is because I have 4 properties in my object.